Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I am Mrs. M, and thank you so much for visiting on my channel. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below to register. That way you don't miss out on any information on what you need to do to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Like I said, hello, hello, hello. I'm your host, Mrs. M. So what else are you offering other than cleaning? What else do you offer? And is your mindset ready? Is your mindset ready to have a 6-figure cleaning business? How do you know? I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. Are you determined? Do you work your business or do you just do busy work? Now, what do I mean by that? Well, let's look at what are you accomplishing day to day. I always say, think of the one big thing that you are going to do that particular day that's going to make a difference in your business for the whole week or the whole month. Think of one thing you can do every day. So let's say, for instance, you're setting up a podcast. And I always say you can do a podcast now for little or no effort. You can do one on Anchor. It's an app, absolutely free. I love it. You can throw in some music and everything. So the goal is to get your potential cleaning customers learning and understanding and aware. It's all about bringing awareness. I have a lot of my students, when they join with us, they're concerned about, well, once I do all this, how are they going to even know I'm here? Well, that is the thing. You build awareness by doing several things in your business. And one of them is having an absolute phenomenal traffic source that it actually brings the traffic to you. One of the ways to do that, blogging, podcasting, videoing what you're doing. Take them out on some of your jobs. Let them see the before and after. Take those photos. This is going to bring them into you faster than you would ever imagine. Now, when I talk about making sure you have your mindset right, that means walking the walk and doing more than just talking the talk. You've got to talk it and walk it. Every single day, you've got to do something to get you further along to your goal of building your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. That is the whole vision we have for you when it comes to creating this channel. We want to get you to 6 figures and beyond so you can change the lives of you, yourself, your family, and your community. That is our goal. And what we love to do is to actually teach you more. The more you learn, the more you're going to be able to implement that, and the more lives you're going to be able to change, starting with yourself, you, and your family and your community. So if you'd like to know more about what you need to do to attract, get your mind right, I'm always thinking if you don't have this right, the rest doesn't matter. I've seen that from experience and from over the 25 years I've been fortunate enough to be in this industry. I've seen people say that they're interested in starting a cleaning business, but they're really not willing to put the work in to do what it takes. And keep the motivation, which is a big part of it, and having a group of like-minded individuals. That's why we actually have our 6-figure tribe club. We have a 6-figure club when it comes to individuals that have been with us who have scaled their cleaning business 6 figures and beyond. It's our 6-figure club when it comes to cleaning. So if you'd just love to be a part of that and grow to 6 figures, then I've got a great step for you. You want to know, well, what do I do first? The first thing you can do is register for our masterclass. It's called 10 times 10x more cleaning customers in 30 days. 10x your cleaning customers in 30 days. That's how to get 10 times more cleaning customers in 30 days masterclass. We go into ways to bring about awareness to your brand, your cleaning company, things you need to do when it comes to logo and branding to attract the customer, and not just any customer, but the right one. The second thing we do is we talk about customer acquisition. What do you do to go from bidding to closing to get them to say, where do I sign on that contract right now? And how do you retain them? Now you've attracted them. You've actually gotten them acquired. They're actually your customer. But the goal is not to lose them in a couple of weeks. So what do you need to do? Well, one of the things you can do is actually register for our 10x your cleaning company, your cleaning customers in 30 days masterclass. I'd love to see you there. We have a fantastic time. We do a Q&A section. It's live. And We do have limited spacing because we give you individual attention during the masterclass. We answer your questions and we can't keep you all night long, so we have to limit the amount of space that we can actually have. So if this sounds like it'd be a great fit for you and you'd love to learn from me, Mrs. M, then make sure you click to register below. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.